Hello, welcome to my channel, Kaylee Creations. I'm Kay, and I have this tiny, adorable album to share with you. I created this album during my beginner soft spine album tutorial. In the tutorial, I teach you how to attach your pages onto a flexible hinge, how to make a soft spine, and even how to wrap it with fabric like you see here. In the tutorial, I also help you determine the depth of your spine, how many pages to put in your album, and even to determine the size of your album. So anything a beginner would need to know to create an album from scratch. This 4x4 album is made with the Prima Autumn Sunset collection. And I just love the colors and the gold foiling and some of the ephemera like you see here on these butterflies. This tiny rose here is from Renee Bouquets. It's from the Mini Old Gold Rose package. I wish I could tell you which pieces of ephemera I cut from which paper pads, but I had one of each size, including the 3x4 and the 4x6 journaling cards, and I can't remember which pieces of paper I've cut from which paper pads, so I will do my best to let you know. So I'm pretty sure this little cut apart here is from the 12x12 paper pad because I can see a little bit of that gold foil on the edge here. So it's just a little photo mat here, so I can place a photo on the back here. And there's room for maybe one or two more photos behind this belly band as well. Some of the cut aparts or ephemera pieces I backed with a brown cardstock. Some I've just left plain. So I have a little fussy cut butterfly here, and I just drew those little antennas onto the back of the paper. And then there's a little fussy cut beetle here. So just adorable, only on paper. I'm not a fan of beetles otherwise. I'm pretty sure this is from the 12x12 paper pad, and then really can't remember where this is from. I've just backed it onto some brown cardstock, so a cute little photo mat there, and then there's room here for maybe one or two more wallet-sized photos. This pocket here was cut out from the 12x12 paper pad, and then I have a fussy cut rose here, and then some cute little tags here, and then I've added this coppery brown ribbon on the top here. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of shiny. I don't know where I got it from, but it's really pretty, and it goes so well with these butterflies. And then I love this cute little fox. I really don't remember this. This is I really don't remember what size of paper pad that's cut out from. And then this cute little cut apart here. I do know that these were not ephemera pieces, that I cut them out of the paper. This page here has a fold out, and it's held with a magnet. So there's room for a 3x3 photo here and a wallet photo here. And I believe this is cut out from the 8x8 paper pad. And then this cute little ephemera piece here is backed with some brown cardstock. And then I really am not sure. I think this is a piece of ephemera backed with some brown cardstock. And then this here is a 4x6 journaling card that I've cut short and added to the back of the page. And then just a piece of ephemera here, and then a piece that's cut from, I believe, the 8x8 paper pad. I believe this is from the 12x12 paper pad, and then I backed it with some brown cardstock and wrapped it with twine and created a pocket. I just love these papers here. Just the roses, the butterflies, the pumpkins, and all the colors. Such beautiful soft colors. And so I think this is from the 12 by 12. Not sure. Could be 8 by 8, but I think it's 12 by 12. And then really don't remember, but I love this image here with the wreath and the butterfly, and I've used more of that coppery brown ribbon. And this here I believe is from the 12 by 12 papers, and I've just made it to look like kind of a ticket. So I punched the corners here and I added the brown cardstock behind. So so much fun to make a tiny petite little album, and it was easy to make, and it's just my favorite technique for making shabby vintage albums. So I hope you check out the tutorial in the description box below. I teach you how to two different methods to wrap your spine on your covers, and the second album that I made during the tutorial, I will have that walkthrough up in about a week or so. So if you don't want to miss it, please hit the subscription box below and make sure you click on that bell for notifications of all my upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.